Mark, he's our man. If he can't install airbags, we'll have to pay somebody else to do it. Hooray! Welcome back, Modified Crew. Welcome back, Modified Crew. I am your daily driver, Mark Herman, and today I am going to be installing the dash airbag and this bad boy. We got to get it in the car, so let's go ahead and get started right away. All right, we are back again in the FRS. It's a new day. All right, so we left off yesterday. All the central controls and whatnot are all pulled. So now what I'm gonna start trying to do is pretty much I'm just gonna continue pulling things off until, yeah, we're ready to pull the dash. So let's go for that now.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me.
All right, it's getting dark outside, so being able to record isn't gonna work out too well, but I got the dash pulled. You know, honestly, I thought it was gonna be harder than it really was. Putting it together is always harder than taking it apart, but here we go. Let's go ahead and take a look. And you know, overall as a whole, it really can be kind of overwhelming. The complete, you know, the whole car is pretty much apart at this point on the interior. The whole front of the car. Just try not to yank on things too hard so you don't break them or crack them or anything, and take your time. Don't you know, strip anything, don't force anything. We'll see how the assembly goes. I'm gonna do that tomorrow, or start the assembly. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, next morning we're back. Let's go ahead and get that dash installed, and hopefully we don't have any problems. Let's go for it.
We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight.
All right, guys, we got the dash in. It took a little fiddling, but overall, yeah, it went pretty smoothly. Make sure to pull all the connectors out when you're going for it. You don't want to have like connectors pinched in between the dash, because that'll be a nightmare, because then you'd have to uninstall it or force things, and that would suck. But yeah, so we got the two major components of the dash in. We got the main dash and then like the under dash area in. So I'm pretty happy. So now it should be fairly simple. Yeah, we have most of the connectors. I'm not too worried about that, but everything else is pretty small in comparison, so I think it should go pretty smoothly. I'm gonna take a break and probably come at this a little bit later. All right, we're back. What I'm gonna do is finish installing the A-pillars, dash, instrument panel, lower cover, glove box, vents, and yeah, I'll probably go for the airbag too. Let's do it.
We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I wanna see the light.
Dash is looking pretty good, going very smoothly. Got all the components in. I can't do this section until I get the module back, so I'm on hold for that. I'll put that together last. I mean, I could kind of do it, but it's just easier if I just wait. So I'm gonna go and install the steering wheel airbag. All right, we got the airbag installed. I'm very happy with it. What had happened, why it took me a while, is when the airbags go off, it's like a small explosion. So it creates a lot of heat when they go off. That's why they can burn you, things like that. Well, the connectors tend to get burned also when the airbags go off. So I had to go ahead and cut the wires, and you know, I don't like using butt splices for things as important as that. So I strip them, solder them, and then heat shrink them just to make sure that, you know, I'm confident with the airbag. You know, you don't want this thing going off, you know, prematurely for whatever reason, or giving you a bad SRS signal. So still don't know how everything's going to turn out until I get the programmed SRS module and the seat belts installed. So we're gonna go ahead and wait on that, but as far as the interior goes, we're kind of halted until that happens. But I'm so far very happy with the way things are going. Everything's, you know, going back together nicely, and it hasn't been that difficult so far. So pretty happy about that, and I'll see you guys when we go ahead and get the other pieces in so we can continue the work. Yeah, guys, that's gonna be it. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for today's episode. Next episode up, we're gonna go ahead and get the control module, well, the airbag module installed in the car, seat belts reinstalled, and then we're gonna plug it in, and hopefully this thing does not blow up, because I've never done it before. I'm just following tutorials and stuff like that. And you know, if one of those wires is crossed and an electric current actually goes to the airbags that I've installed, they could explode. So it's gonna be a good one and a very interesting one at least for me anyways. I hope to see you guys. If you like it, like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one. I wanna see